Hi Year 10, this is Mr. A here with your October 2013 half-term homework. The first thing I'm going to point out is on this piano here I have written MC, which hopefully you have worked out. Say it. That's right, middle C. So basically that relates to this here. So if in these exercises you see a treble clef, chances are with my right hand I'm going to have my thumb on middle C, and you'll need to look out for patterns in this homework. Patterns are really important. First thing I'm going to do is just refer to a few things that you should already know. So don't forget to use your hot drinks. Do whatever you need to do in order to make sure you can do these rhythms accurately, or you can understand them, because this homework's all about understanding rhythms. So we got fish jelly there, haven't we? Fish jelly, and then the opposite way around. Jelly, fish. Don't forget your crotch at rest. They are going to feature in this homework. You've got tea. And the only thing is this one, okay, which is a dotted quaver with a semiquaver. And that rhythm is the equivalent of doing cappuccino, but only clapping on the first and the fourth. So instead of going cappuccino, you go cappuccino. So it's like a rhythm that goes like this. That's what that would look like if it had four of them. Cappuccino, 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 cappuccino. That's the only one really we haven't used properly yet. So in this exercise, you're going to need to use that page there, which is why I'm now going to hold that there for about 10 seconds so that you can pause and go back to this page if you need to, and you will need to excuse my metronome there, my little green mountain on the left hand side. Then you're going to need this page here. So I'm going to hold this for about 10 seconds. You'll need to know your chords. You'll need to know where middle C is on the treble and the bass clef, and you'll also need to know how to locate your notes in treble clef and bass clef. So you're going to need to use this sheet. Okay, so you've had 10 seconds on that, you've had 10 seconds on that, and you can pause back or rewind back anytime you like. So, in this activity, you are going to need to create a Word document, or you can do it by hand if you like. The title will be GCSE Music Year 10 Composition Techniques Homework, and then October Half Term 2013. It's a bit blurry on there, but make sure you put your name at the top. It should say, although you can't quite see it, Video 1, or Video Test 1 actually, and then it has 1 to 15 down the column. You can handwrite that by all means. Now, in this task is a listening task, and you're going to be identifying certain rhythms. Okay? Well, it's not just rhythm, it's pitch and rhythm. If you have a look at this sheet, you'll see that we've got number 1 here, and then A, B and C. Well, what's going to happen is I'm going to play one of those rhythms, and you need to identify it. Every now and again I'll put an extension question in. I would add at this point that this video has 15 of these types of questions. It's compulsory to get to 1 to 10. Questions 11 to 15 are extension questions, and you should try and get there if you can. I'm only going to play each one once, but remember you are watching a video and therefore you can pause anytime you like, including going back to these pages or that page. So, without any further ado, what I'm now going to do is start the test. So I'm going to play, this is number 1, and you're going to hear me play. You'll actually see it as well. I'll actually show you the piano, and what you're going to do is identify whether it's going to be pattern A, B or C. Here's number 1. Is that A, B or C? Straight on then to number 2. Is this pattern A, B or C? Here it is. 2A, 2B, or 2C? Then we go to number 3. Is this pattern A, B, or C? From now onwards, I'm going to count the numbers in to let you know when it's starting. There might be a clue as to that, why I'm doing that in this exercise. Okay, is this A, B, or C? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that A, B, or C? And then we go to number 4. Is this A, B, or C? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that A, B, or C? There's an extension question on question 4. The question is this. One of these bars is incorrect. Can you tell us why? One of these, A, B, or C, is wrong in terms of how it's written down. Could you tell us the error? Moving on to question 5. Is this A, B, or C? That was wrong. I'm going to do that one again for you. A, B, or C? Because I played 5 wrong, I'll do it again for you. That one was right, but the first time was wrong. So is it A, B, or C? This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to change my page. That's the first 5 questions. So we move to question number 6. Is this A, B, or C? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 2, 3, 4. There's an extension question on number 6. The extension question is, like before, one of these bars is wrong. Can you tell me which one is wrong? Is it A, B, or C? A, B, or C? In the way that it's written down. Okay, question number 7. Is this A, B, or C? It's quite tricky, this one. It involves chords. Watch carefully. Okay, this is 7. 1, 2, 3. I'll do that one again for you. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was number 7. A, B, or C? Now questions 8 to 15 are going to be on the second video. Questions 8 to 15 are on the second video. That is the end of part 1.